Hello and welcome to American Football 101, brought to you by StreakersJournal.com. An NFL field is a rectangle. The regular playing area is 160 feet wide, which is a bit over 53 yards, or just under 49 meters. The field is 300 feet long, which is exactly 100 yards, or just under 92 meters. It would take 128,000 copies of the 6x9-inch Streakers Journal to cover the entire field. In addition to the regular playing field, there's also an extra 30 feet or 10 yards at either end of the length of the field. This is called the end zone. It would take an additional 12,800 copies of Streakers Journal to cover each end zone. We'll get into more detail on this later, but the end zone is the magic territory that a team's offense is trying to reach while either carrying or catching the ball. The line marking the very beginning of each end zone is called the goal line. To help everyone see exactly where the end zone's boundaries are, a soft orange pylon is located at the immediate outside edge of each end zone's four corners. As you see, the middle of the length of the field is marked with the number 50. This is the 50-yard line, and it's exactly 50 yards from the beginning of either end zone. As you get closer to either end zone, the number decreases to 40, 30, 20, and 10, indicating the distance from that point to the nearest end zone. There are also unnumbered white lines that run across the entire width of the field, marking the 45, 35, 25, 15, and 5-yard lines. And lastly are hash marks, which are the small white lines that mark all the 1-yard sections for the entire length of the field. The last 20 yards of the field that's really close to the defense's end zone is called the red zone, signifying that it's extremely urgent for the defense to stop the other team's offense. And all the way in the back of each end zone, in the exact center of the field's width, is a goal post. It's a padded yellow post that sticks straight up out of the ground. On top of this, at a height of 10 feet off the ground, is an 18.5-foot wide horizontal bar called the crossbar. On either end of the crossbar is a 35-foot vertical post called an upright. These uprights match up perfectly with the 1-yard hash marks mentioned earlier that run the length of the field. All the way around the field, including the end zones, is a 6-foot white boundary line. Touching any part of the boundary line means a player is out of bounds. This video was brought to you by StreakersJournal.com. Thanks for watching.